I'm Angela Osborne. I'm the CEO of eXmoor Pharma, a company I founded back in 2004, which is now the new kid on the block as the cell therapy and gene therapy CDMO. We're based in Bristol in the UK. What we found this week actually at ASGCT is we talked to a lot of US companies, and geography actually doesn't seem to be an issue. What's more important is the capability that we have and the way we work, so the collaborative partnering way that we work. And everybody we've asked has said geography doesn't matter. Maybe 5 years ago there was a shortage of capacity in cell and gene therapy, and then a lot of capacity got built. But capacity is not the same as capability, and what we now see is that there are quite a few companies out there, but actually we're still short of the skills needed to make a successful CDMO. There are some very good ones out there, but not everybody has the required amount of capability. And then if you layer on that, not just the technical capability, but also the collaborative partnering type of working, I think we're fairly unique in that. Also, if you layer on the fact that we have technical consulting sitting behind our process development, analytical development, and GMP manufacturing, we have something that's very unique to offer in the market. Recently hired a US consultant to help us with business development, because we recognize that as we move into GMP manufacturing, we need to go further than just the UK and Europe. And what we've hoped was that we would meet some companies here that were interested in working with us. So far, it's been fantastic. We've met companies that are in AAV, in iPSC-derived products, in extracellular vesicles, a complete range which kind of mirrors the range that we offer. And all of them have been excellent conversations. So I'm hoping for more of the same with some follow-on process development, GMP work with some of those companies.